morning, lovely peeps. Happy Wednesday. Welcome back to the sewing room. The definitive answer for the first sort of hour that this video has been up is yes, you would like to see how I lined it, which is good because I am going to line my wool one. Probably not going to get to that before I go to London next week though. I've got a week to do 8 sewing projects. We'll see, we'll see. A couple of them, there's 4 skirts, which should all be fairly simple. 2 waistcoats, a shirt, and then the beach pyjamas. So none of them are particularly difficult. We'll see, we shall see. Fingers crossed I can get some, at least most of them done. I think the shirt's going to be the, yeah, we'll see, we'll see. We shall see. I've also got to film a whole bunch of videos before I leave as well. I am leaving on Thursday next week. I need to order my tickets too, so. I am going to start today by sewing the green denim skirt that I managed to cut out of the length of fabric that I got this out of as well. Just because my machine is set up for sewing denim with that kind of top stitching. So yeah, gonna get that done. Then I think I'm gonna move on to the raw silk skirt. We'll see how it goes after that. Fingers crossed they come out okay. We shall see. We shall see. I haven't really got anything else to waffle at you about this morning. That never happens. It's only been like nearly 2 minutes. Good grief. The buttons are coming arriving today, so again I will show you what it looks like once the buttons are on. I've got on a Butterick 6380 bodice with the sleeves from the Vogue 9345 shirt dress. The skirts from the original dress as well. So giant sleeves, lots of buttons, really liking this. Anyway, I'm gonna get on with sewing a skirt, and I've just realized that I've put a dress on today, so you'll probably be seeing the skirt with over this dress if I do get it finished. So it's gonna be a look. It's gonna be interesting. Later. Oh, what's the time? Your machine tells you. Oh yeah, it's 3:42. 3:42. I have finished the first skirt. I'm hoping to get 2 done today. I have it on over this dress because otherwise I've only got a slip on and you guys don't want to see that. So let me just tip you down a bit. This is the 9357 skirt with the giant pockets and the leftover denim from cutting out the Sorrento jacket. Mum, you're ever so slightly in shot. Do you want to say hi very quickly? Oh. Hi! Sus, come here. Do you want to say hi too? Do you want to say hi too? Hello little blind puppy. My baby girl. Very blind puppy. Yes. Is that nice? Oh, is that nice? Oh. Okay. Oh, careful. Don't hit anything. Dad came down, so she was happy for about 5 seconds because we were all in the same room. So yeah, this is really nice. I don't think I probably would wear it with this shirt, dress, but it does give you an idea of what I'm going for with these giant sleeves because I've got one shirt with these on, ready to go. I have put on the buttons for this. I got the Prim Laurel Leaf buttons. And I have to say, I do not like them. Like, I like how they look, but I don't like how they go on. And I'm not overly convinced that they're not going to pop off any minute now. I have hammered them on. I'll turn you back up again. Here we go. Hello. I have hammered them on. Yeah, I'm not convinced that they're not immediately going to go flying off. But as I've mentioned, I'm not planning on wearing this jacket done up, so it's not the end of the world. And they look nice. So hopefully they will remain on, and I have some spares if they don't. I'm not sure that I'm going to put these on the wool version though. I think I'm going to do something a bit different with the wool version. Maybe possibly bound buttons, possibly. The wool is really thin. There's a few of you who are worried that if I make this out of the wool it's going to be too small for me. The wool is really thin. Like really thin, so I think it'll be fine, to the point where if I was making a coat out of it I would have fully interlined it with cotton flannel. I have a set, completely unintentional, just happened to have enough fabric to cut the skirt out after I got the jacket out. Wow, yeah, it's really good. Yeah, this is 3 meters of, it's the denim from Lady McElroy. It's 10.90 a metre. I've linked it in yesterday's vlog. I'll link it in the description as well. The colour is cedar. It looks a lot brighter on the screen of the Sherwood shop, and the marbled effect is me washing it, and I think I managed to like fluff it up when I washed it, so it doesn't come marbled like this. That was a kind of happy accident. I really like how the marbled effect has come out, so you know, it's like I say, happy accident, but it's not the actual way that the fabric will arrive to you guys, so just be aware of that. But it is a really nice denim. It's got some stretch in it, so it's this skirt's actually quite comfortable, although this waistband I have top stitched it and interlined it with calico, so there's absolutely zero stretch left in the waistband. I think it still looks quite nice, and yeah, very pleased with this. The dog's unhappy that she's stuck in here with us now and Dad's not here. She's squeaking. Poor Susie. She's having the worst day ever. Poor Susie. So skirt number 1 done. I'm going to start working on the raw silk skirt now. That hopefully should get done today. I was being all cocky and thinking I was going to get 3 skirts done today, but I mean that might happen, but I will be working into the night if it does. That's fine. That's fine. I'm enjoying it down here. Got the TV. It's warm. It's warmer than the house. So yes, I'm going to get on with the next skirt, and hopefully I will have that to show you in a couple of hours.
2 hours later.
Okay, skirt number 2 is done, and you can barely see it, but I'm clearly on a roll today, although I am going to stop at this one. I'm not going to work on the red corally wool suiting skirt, which is going to be a button-up skirt from the 9345 pattern. I'm going to work on that tomorrow because I'm hungry, so I'm going to go and make myself some dinner. But I will show you this one now. 2 secs. Okay, so this is the raw silk fabric from Stitch Fabrics. It's a 3/4 circle skirt. I had 3 meters of this, and I have managed to eke out a waistcoat out of this as well. The New Look 6013. Have I got that number right? 6103? I think it's a 6013. This is really nice. It's an interesting fabric. It kind of looks like, I don't know, let's see. So it kind of looks like Hessian. It is silk. It's been fully interlined, and all of the edges have been bias bound because this stuff frays the second you look at it. So it's got some nice body to the skirt, which I'm liking. Again, it's probably very summery, but you know what? I'm glad that I've made it because it was quite a bulky fabric, and it's now out of the stash and in skirt form, and it fits really nicely. I have got quite a lot of layers in the waistband, so I've got the raw silk and the cotton lawn lining that, or interlining that. I've then got a layer of calico, which has been my preferred method of stabilizing my waistbands for a while now, because I only have really lightweight interfacing or coat weight interfacing. And then there's another layer of white cotton lawn and another layer of the Savannah cotton lawn lining the waistband. So it's quite a chunky waistband, but it also means that they don't kind of roll too much. There's something called band roll, but I don't know if you can get it in the UK. But it's kind of like really foam interfacing for waistbands. So I'd like to try that at some point if I can find some. But yeah, I'm really pleased with this. It is a circle skirt, but it doesn't seem to have dropped on the bias at all, so I have hemmed it. I hope that's not premature. I will find out. But yeah, I'm very pleased with this. Again, it doesn't really go with the print of this top, but it does go with the top itself. I think it's really pretty. So very happy with this one. As I say, I'm going to call it a night now though, because I am hungry and I would like to eat something. Yeah, I'm pleased with what I've got done today. Buttons on the jacket, 2 skirts. So I've got 2 skirts, a shirt, 2 waistcoats and the beach pyjamas left. Is that right? So yeah, that's right. I've got 6 things left to do and plenty of time to do them. I'm going to keep telling myself that. Yeah, it should be fine. Should get it all done before I leave for London. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. I hope you've enjoyed my day. I did say this earlier, but the comments on yesterday's video with the Sorrento jacket is a resounding yes for lining it, so I will be doing that. If I can get to it before I leave for London, if I get all these other things done, then I will try and get it done before I leave for London. Otherwise it will be when I come back. Somebody mentioned maybe putting ribbing on the cuffs and the button band for the Sorrento to make it look more like the holly jacket, and I do think that would be very cool, but the way that the Sorrento sleeves are done, it wouldn't work. I'd have to alter the button band at the front, so to extend that down. It could look good, but I don't know if I've got any cuffing that I actually like enough to put in with that wool. I don't think I have. So I'm just going to do the straight up Sorrento because, as you guys have asked for a lining tutorial, and there is a specific way of doing the sleeves with the continuous lap in to get the lining into them. So yeah, I'm just going to stick with the regular one. That's been my day. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'll be back tomorrow with some more sewing, probably 2 more skirts getting made tomorrow, fingers crossed. So yeah, anyway, on that note, I'm going to say goodnight, so I shall see you all tomorrow. Bye!